Hey guys, welcome in this new video. For this one I am revisiting an old technique that I've been using many years ago, but this time I want to try with the primary elements, which are pigmented powders, and they are shimmery and very vibrant. So as you can see, I picked quite a lot of colors. I don't know yet which ones I'll be using, but I'll share in the description below. And I will be using some etc cards, and I have a project in mind, we'll see how it goes, and some cling wrap. You'll see it's very fun, very easy. If you're the type of person who needs to control, maybe that's not for you, but I hope you will give it a try. There we go. I decided to play with 7 cards at the same time. I placed them on some wax paper and open all my primary elements jars so it's easier to play with. You can just add some sprinkle on each card, and we have shakers that are amazing, but I didn't have those on ends, so just using a little carving tool to help me. And just play with the colors, but remember they will blend when you add the water, so pick colors that won't make too much of some, muddy colors when blended. Just have fun with it. Put everything aside and prepare to be messy, because once you spray, as you can see, it kind of gets everywhere. That's why you need to protect your surface and surroundings. This technique needs a lot of water. This is what helps the effect to be amazing. And now I'm using a fluffy watercolor brush to adjust the colors here and there and add some water. It's easier to control. Take a piece of cling wrap and wrinkle it on top of the soaking wet card or surface, whatever you're using, and it's the wrinkles that will create the effect, so it's important that you play with that. And you can still move it around if you don't like it, so don't be afraid to do that as well. As you can see, that's what I've done. 24 hours later you can take it off. Sometimes, depending on where you live, if it's humid or not, you may need to leave the wrap longer, and that's okay. And look at that, and see how easy and quick it was. Just fun. I thought it needed a little something else, so I took some gold silk acrylic and a foam applicator and just did the edges. Black would have been nice, gray too, but I thought that gold would be fancier. So I just did that on every card, so it makes a nice set. And that's it. I hope you enjoy, and if you try this technique, go on our Facebook group and share with us. I'd love to see what you do. Thanks for watching. Bye.